Morning class is your EVS class, okay, environmental studies, and in this we are going through your chapter number 4, which is clothes for us, okay. And in this chapter we have discussed about what? We have discussed about woolen clothes, silk clothes, and now today we will discuss about what? We will discuss about these leather clothes, okay. These are all types of clothes, okay? Now in this woolen clothes, it was made from the fur of the animals. The silk clothes, it was made from silkworm. Now, and in the leather clothes, today we will go through these leather clothes. You can see this. These are your leather clothes. You have also seen leather shoes, leather belts. You have leather jackets. Now, leather clothes, I am reading from your book, page 20. You can see leather clothes are, for example, leather jackets are used in winter season. Now, in which season you will wear these leather jackets? In summer season? No. In rainy season? Also no. You will wear these leather jackets in winter season because they will keep you warm from inside. So, these leather clothes, for example, leather jackets are used in winter season. They helps us to keep warm. They will keep you warm, and leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals like cows, pigs, goats, and sheep. From where you will get this leather? You will get this leather from the skin of the dead animals. Which animals? Cows, goats, sheep, pigs, these all. Leather is also used to make shoes, belts, and bags. Leather is used to make shoes, belts, and bag. Now, first of all, from where you will get leather from? From which animals? Cows, pigs, goats, and sheep. Okay, so from these dead animals, if these animals are dead, we get this leather from these animals. So leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals like cows, pigs, goats, and sheep. From the skin of these animals. Skin, you know what is the skin? We have discussed in your previous classes. Skin is your outermost layer of your body, which is your skin. So, like us also, cows, these animals also have their skins, and with the help of these the skin of these animals, we make leather. Okay, they help us to keep warm. Leather is obtained from the skin of these dead animals. These dead animals, these cows, pigs, sheep, goat, if they are dead, then we take out their skin and we make the leathers. We get the leather, and after that, after getting the leather, we making use of these leathers, and we make leather jackets, leather belts, leather shoes, these all things. Leather is also used to make shoes, belt, and bags. Now, this leather is used to make shoes, belts, and bags. Okay, so these things we use leather to make these things, and also the jacket also. You have seen the leather jacket. This leather jacket we will wear in the winter season because it will make us warm. Okay, it will keep you warm. Now, here is a name girl, Kiara. She is asking, do you have things made of leather at your home? If yes, can you name them? If you have things, it's a question for you. If you have things made from leather at your homes, what you will do? You will write the names of those things here, okay, in this. Now, we have discussed about this leather clothes. It was your leather clothes. We get leather from the dead animals like cows, pigs, sheep, and goat. And also, what we make from this leather? We make shoes, belts, jackets. Okay, these all things. Now, cotton clothes. Our next type of cloth is cotton clothes. This is your cotton cloth. The cotton clothes help you keep our body cool. Now this cotton cloth this cotton cloth. This cotton clothes you can wear in every season, because these cotton clothes are very comfortable to wear. Cotton clothes help to keep our body cool. It will keep your body cool. So we wear cotton clothes in summer. Now generally we wear these cotton clothes in summer, because in summers the weather is very hot, and to overcome this weather we use cotton clothes so that our body may get cool. Okay. Cotton clothes absorb sweat easily and allow air to pass through it. Now why these cotton clothes makes us cool? How this makes us cool? Because it will do, it will absorb the sweat easily. It absorbs, it is very good absorbent. It can absorb the sweat. If we sweat, then it will absorb it, and also it will allow the air to pass through it, so that when the air will pass through it, we will get what? We will get feel very good from, we will feel very good. Okay, we will feel cool. Cotton is obtained from cotton plants. You have seen cotton plant? No. In your previous classes you have seen in your books also there is a cotton plant, and this cotton is come from cotton plant. This cotton will come from the cotton plant. Then we will make first of all, here would be your cotton plant, and after that, from this cotton plant, this is your cotton plant, then you will make thread. Okay, what is thread? The cotton, the thread from which you can make your clothes. Okay, this cotton plant you will get your thread. Okay, then after that what you will do? From this thread we make the cotton clothes. Okay class. So the from where we get cotton clothes? First of all we get the cotton from the cotton plant, then we manufacture it as a thread, then after that we will also manufacture it as a cloth, so that we can wear. These all are your cotton clothes. See here, this type of clothes you wear in summer, isn't it? Yes. Now these all are your cotton clothes, and we get cotton from your cotton plants. Okay. Now there are waterproof clothes. There are some waterproof clothes. Waterproof See here, waterproof clothes. What is the meaning of waterproof? You know what is the meaning of waterproof? You have waterproof watch, waterproof, you have waterproof everything, like you have waterproof phone, watch. You have seen this all. These waterproof means if it gets in water, it will the water will not affect your it will not affect that thing. Okay, so there are waterproof clothes also. We wear raincoats and gum boots in rainy season. Now what does we wear? We wear raincoats. You have seen your raincoat, and I think everyone you have your raincoat, because in rainy season we need raincoat to protect us from the rain. Okay, so we wear raincoats and gum boots in rainy season. These are waterproof and prevents us from getting wet. Now what are the waterproof clothes? Waterproof clothes are the raincoats, and gum boots. Okay, gum boots. What are these gum boots? See here, these in your book there are the picture of your gum boots and the raincoat. You have seen the raincoat also, and I think everyone you have your raincoat, because these raincoat, what is the work of this raincoat? It will prevent you from getting wet in the rainy season. Whenever there is rain, you will wear this raincoat, and you will, if you go outside, you will not get wet, because these are your waterproof clothes, and it will make you waterproof, so you can't be getting wetted in the rainy season from the rain. Okay, so these are your waterproof clothes. Now what were your leather clothes? Leather clothes were made from the skin of the animals. Okay, and after that, and also leather clothes for keeping keeps us warm. After that, we have discussed about the cotton clothes, and cotton, what were these cotton clothes? Cotton clothes was were making us feel cool. Okay, because so that we wear these type of clothes, these cotton clothes in summers, and these cotton clothes are made up of cotton plant. And after that, we have waterproof clothes, and these waterproof clothes, when do we wear? We wear these waterproof clothes in the rainy season, so that we can't get wetted in the rainy season from the rain. Okay class, we have discussed about these types of clothes: woolen clothes, silk clothes, leather clothes, cotton clothes, and waterproof clothes. Now in your next classes, we will go through the next topic. Okay.